Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This time we're in Build Boat, and I found a glitch that makes things move as quick as lightning. So this is what you do. First, you'll need to grab a piston. Then, you will grab a wheel. Not the new wheels, the old wheels. After that, grab a hinge. It only works in hinges. Put in the center of the tire. Place a car seat. Now ready to go. 2 is press the up button that. Now, if you have it anchored, you can do this glitch. You already do it again except anchored. Unanchored, I mean. One moment. Wait, be right back. I'm back. Alright. And what you want to do is grab your screwdriver tool and then unanchor. And one down. Put it anchored in the middle. When you don't start seeing the wheel, what I want to do is anchored. Unanchored. And look, boom. It's like going Santa mode. Miss. It's only you can go a few seconds or 1 minute. I don't know how long. It's literally teleporting through dimensions. It's because the wheel's missing, that's why it's going everywhere. And the wheel's probably going crazy, but the wheel is gone. And you have this new block. It's probably like the metal block. No, see. But it's the same thing as the metal block, except gray. Now it's going so fast that you can't even see what's moving. That's a tutorial how to make a hinge fast as lightning. See you guys later. Goodbye.